Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a two-factor authentication method in Bitget, right? There must be two reasons why you wanted to do that, okay? Maybe you have another phone and then you wanted to install another authenticator app, okay? And the second option is that you wanted to disable the two-factor authentication app or two-factor authenticator, and you just wanted to use maybe your passkey, password, or some other options. Okay, so first up, let's just go ahead over to our profile right here at the top right, hover over it, and just click on security. And in here we have various verification methods. Okay, we have here biometrics, phone number verification or code, okay, text code, and a passkey, authenticator, login password, and PIN code. Now, if you wanted to just use, okay, maybe both passkey and phone number, well, what you're going to do is just go ahead and bind authenticator right here or Google Authenticator, and then just configure passkey and your phone number. Okay. But do make sure that you have at least two enabled authenticator aside from your email, of course. So it is 1, 2, 3 in total. This one right here is by default enabled, and you have at least two verifications enabled here as well. Okay, so if you meant to change your Google Authenticator right here, let's say you've bought another phone, okay, and you don't want to use your older phone, so just click on unbind. All right, unbind and configure. And after that, just basically follow simple prompts. You need to open up your phone. You'll be given a QR code, scan the QR code, and after that you will receive, or you will have your Bitget authenticator code. We'll just paste that in here, and after that, you should be good to go. And that's basically it. That is how you change your 2FA method in Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.